guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you've just come across my channel, you are welcome. So let's just get straight to it. I was going through my channel the other day and I thought I don't have any videos on how to do a bomb twist out. The reason being, I can't do it. I'm not very good at doing twist outs, but you know what? I like to put myself to the test, chuck myself in the deep end. So I thought I would attempt doing a twist out, but I thought I would elicit the help of a product to do a bomb twist out. So here's hoping. So if you want to see if I was able to pull it off or if it was an epic fail, just carry on watching. So I come to you with my hair completely washed. I have washed it with the Amari Me Black African shampoo, and I've deep conditioned my hair with the Amari Me Deeper. I've also put the Mel's Butter Me Up in my hair because I needed moisture retained into my hair. However, my hair is starting to dry up now, so I'm going to be spraying a bit of water on my hair, and then I'm going to be applying this. This is the Cream of Nature Twisting Cream. It's got moisture whip, so of course my hair loves sheer butter. It says pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy sheer butter. Love it. So this is a twisting cream and I got it for £6.99. Not bad for 11.5 ounces, and it's a really lovely mild scent. So the consistency is nice and thick. As you can see, that's what I want. I want a nice, thick, buttery-like consistency for my twist out. Let's just get on with it, okay? This might be an epic fail, like the other times. I mean, you know, we'll see, we'll see. First of all, I've got to decide how I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be twisting my hair forward because I want to have the bangs. And then I'm going to be twisting my hair down here like that. Okay, that's probably the best I'm going to get. Guys, can I just say, you know the black rice challenge I'm doing? Can you see my edges? They are much thicker than they've been in a long time. Look how thick they are. This black rice is not plain. I'm telling you, I'm so looking forward to seeing the results. The video is coming out soon. For those of you who don't know, I'm on a black rice leave-in conditioner challenge. I will leave a link up here for you to see and check that out if you want to join us as well. I'm not going easy. I'm going to be heavy-handed with this thing because I want a really good twist out. So I'm just going to make my hair damp. So I think I'm going to use So I've finished twisting my hair. It's not awkward, not at all. So I managed to do 10 twists in the end. And to show you, I managed to get this many. It's not perfect. I'm not bothered about my hair sectioned off really well, because when the twists come out, I'll be trying to get rid of those lines anyway. I'm going to wrap my hair with a scarf, let it air dry for a bit, and if it gets up to about 2 hours and it's nowhere near dry, I'm going to sit under the hooded cap. So I'll see you when it's finished. Okay guys, so it's the next day. My hair did not dry very quick. It was getting late, so I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna sleep in it. Here's the big reveal. I haven't sneaked a look at it yet, so I don't know what it's gonna look like. Because I know when I sleep, I really turn around. This is my finished look of my version of a really good twist out. One thing is for sure is that if my hair was cut into a particular style, my hair would kind of like fall into some style, but I have to kind of create it. There's no particular style that I have. My curls are just kind of hanging. However, I'm really, really, really pleased. I mean, just look at these twists. I didn't separate them all because I didn't separate this one, but look. Really, really pleased. I now know that I can do a good twist out. My hair feels very moisturised, it's not crunchy, there's no flaking. It's a good purchase, I'm telling you, I'm really, really pleased with it. I'll be interested to know how this product works with my wash and goes. And overall, it's a big fat thumbs up for this product. I'm really, really pleased with it. I have no complaints. This is a twist out that I'm really happy about. Maybe I might get my hair trimmed by a professional into a style. What do you reckon? So guys, share with me down in the comments your tricks and tips about getting a really good twist out. I want to learn to get better at this. See, my hair's so fine that I fluff it up and then it just, you know, the heat just gets it flat again. I need something. Maybe I could put some hairspray to make the thing stand on end. I want my hair to stand up in the air. Goodness, can't be walking around the street doing this all day, can I? So guys, that's enough of me and Mr. Pitt, because I'm gonna comb all the curls out in a minute. I'm going. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care and God bless. Bye.